Imagine this. It's sunrise. You wake up, you're hungry. You go to the kitchen. And remember, no food, no water, no snacks. Welcome to Ramadan, the Islamic month of fasting. For about 1.9 billion Muslims around the world, Ramadan means fasting from dawn to sunset for an entire month. No breakfast, no lunch, no sneaky midnight cookies. But why? And more importantly, why does it end with one of the biggest celebrations on earth? That celebration is Eid Ul Fitr, literally, festival of breaking the fast. And trust me, after 30 days of fasting, breaking that fast feels like winning the Food Olympics. The story of Eid goes all the way back to 7th century Arabia, specifically to the city of Medina, where the Prophet Muhammad established the early Muslim community. When Muslims began observing Ramadan fasting, they needed a day to celebrate the completion of this spiritual marathon. According to Islamic tradition, the Prophet Muhammad introduced Eid Ul Fitr as a day of gratitude, community, and joy. Before Islam, people in Medina already celebrated festivals, but the Prophet replaced them with two new celebrations, Eid Ul Fitr and Eid Ul Adha. And just like that, a celebration was born that would eventually spread across continents, cultures, and cuisines. To understand Eid, you have to understand Ramadan. Ramadan is believed to be the month when the Quran was first revealed. During this month, Muslims fast every day from dawn until sunset. No food, no drinks, not even water, which sounds impossible. Until sunset arrives, and suddenly, every table becomes a buffet. The daily meal to break the fast is called iftar. And yes, dates are usually first on the menu. Because apparently, dates are the original energy bar. But Eid doesn't come on a fixed date. Instead, it depends on the moon. Islam follows a lunar calendar, meaning months begin when the new crescent moon is spotted, which leads to one of the most suspenseful moments in the Muslim world. Moon sighting night. People look at the sky, committees gather, phones explode with messages, and social media fills with one question. Chand Nazar Aya? Has the moon been sighted? If yes, Eid tomorrow. If not, one more day of fasting. When Eid finally arrives, the day begins early. Very early. Muslims wake up before sunrise, put on their best clothes, and head to Eid prayers. These prayers are usually held in mosques, or huge open grounds called Eid Gahs. Thousands of people gather together for one giant prayer, one giant community, and probably one giant traffic jam. But before the celebration really begins, there's something very important. Charity. Muslims give something called Zakat ul-Fitr, a small donation given before Eid prayers, so that everyone, especially the poor, can celebrate the holiday. Because Eid is not just about food and new clothes, it's about community, generosity, and making sure nobody celebrates alone. Once the prayers are over, the real celebration begins. Food, and lots of it. Different cultures celebrate Eid with different dishes. In South Asia, there's sheer kurma. In Turkey, there's baklava. In Indonesia, there are ketupat rice cakes. Basically, Eid becomes a global festival of desserts. And somewhere, someone's aunt is forcing you to eat just one more plate. Eid also comes with a tradition children love the most, Eid, money or gifts given to kids by elders. Which means children spend Eid doing two things: visiting relatives and calculating profit margin. Adults hug each other saying, Eid Mubarak, while kids check envelopes like inflation has hit this family. Today, Eid Ul Fitr is celebrated across the globe, from Jakarta to London, from Cairo to New York. Mosques fill with prayers, cities light up, families gather, and millions celebrate the end of Ramadan together. It's one of the largest religious celebrations on earth. And despite different languages and cultures, the message remains the same: gratitude, community, and a well-earned meal. At its heart, Eid Ul Fitr is about more than food. It celebrates the discipline of fasting, the power of charity, and the joy of community. After a month of patience, reflection, and faith, Eid is a reminder that celebration is sweetest when it's shared. So whether it's through prayer, family gatherings, or that suspiciously large third bowl of dessert. Eid marks the moment when the world's Muslims say, "We made it," and then immediately ask, "What's for lunch?" Like, share, subscribe for more history content.